think it's time to get my dad's old cloak out again.
It's time to pay your debt.
It's time to put my stone on the mountain.
It's time to fight dirty.
Okay, Boo, it's time to go home.
It's been 48 sols since I planted the potatoes, so now it's time to reap and re-sow.
I think it's time to discuss your career path.
It's time to surrender, Panda.
It's time to make way for the next generation.
Okay, Ben, it's time to light the Hanukkah candle.
It's time to get back on LinkedIn.
Well, Hayes, guess it's time to call it a night.
Now that we're all together, I think it's time to address the reason for this seminar.
It's time to start delivering on that Sullivan name.
I think it's time to get her home.
It's time to get out in front and change the game.
Come on, it's time to move.
But now, it's time to forget all that.
It's time to push buttons.
Now it's time to let Smith & Wesson do the talking.
Come on, honey, it's time to go home.
It's time to see what's out there.
It's time to right some wrongs.
It's time to change for dinner.
We really appreciate it, but it's time to knock it off.
What? It's time to say goodbye.
Now it's time to take those envelopes out.
I think that now it's time to break the wall down, you know?
It's time to move on. It's time to sparkle!
Maybe it's time to consider stopping.
Maybe it's time to finally bring this home.
It's time to stop playing games.
It's time to show it to the world, don't you think?
You're a filthy fantasist. And now it's time to leave.
It's time to go!
It's time to start thinking long term.
Maybe it's time to grow up a little.
It's time to end this war.
It's time to push.
It's time to relax and enjoy your stay.
Yes, well, perhaps it's time to eat.
So I guess it's time to send in a specialist.
I think it's time to revive it.
Now it's time to wake up.
It's time to put balls in holes.
It's time to die!
I made the deal, and now it's time to pay the price.